Hello guys, the Google Finance application is finally here and I'm going to give you a full walkthrough on Android for Google Finance. So here you can see the interface. All you have to do is search it on the Play Store and you will find it, as it was announced yesterday that they are releasing this Google Finance app. So let's select US first. And if you are interested in the US market, you will see these news bulletins, my friends. As you can see my screen, my friends. And let's scroll down a bit and they will show you the stock market, the upcoming earnings. So you can just press this upward arrow key and it will move up. And the news stories, of course, the most active stocks in the stock market: Nvidia, Intel, Apple. You can see all of these big gainers, daily losers, all of it. So this was the main page, home page overview, my friends. Let's go to the list section. Now this is where the fun starts, my friends, because as you can see this watch list. So I'll press add investments and search for Roblox, because my son plays Roblox, my friends. So I'll just press the plus button. So this is my watch list now. So I'll get all the information, the stock exchange information regarding Roblox, my friends, and the lists. So I can create my own custom lists. So interested in, just write interested in and create. And my friends, a list is created now. So all I have to do is add some investments inside this list. So I'll add Nvidia, just like a bit like Pinterest or something, their boards. And my friends, I can also add Microsoft, Apple, maybe Apple. Yes. Steam, I can add Steam. So I can't find Steam over here. Maybe they use another name for their corporate sector, or maybe they don't use stocks, share their stock information. I don't know, maybe you try it out. And then we have this history section. You can just I don't know what this is, but maybe it collects all of your data and then shows you what you have been doing, my friends. Since I'm a new user, I can't see my history. And then the last but not the least is ask. So this is, my friends, just an AI built-in tool inside Google Finance application. So I'll just ask stock price of Steam. Just ask this question, my friends, and let's see what AI gives us. Valve Corporation. So this is the name of Steam. Is they are owned. There is no public stock price for Steam, as it is a platform owned and operated by Valve Corporation. So it's a privately held company. This is what I was talking about earlier, my friends. So this is it, my friends. You can install this app. It's very neat, very well done, my friends. It has US markets, Europe, Asia, Latin America, all this good stuff. Thanks for watching, my friends. Take care.